Alright, and now they're done. So what do you think about that? Huh? Uh-huh. How do they look? Then once they're done, just garnish the chives. Oh yeah. See how beautiful they are? Hmm? Alright, they are crunchy and they are really good. They should be like that. Okay. Crunchy. Oh yeah. Very good. Okay. Alright. They are lovely, huh? So, what I'm gonna do now, I'll put them back in the oven because so they will stay warm and taste better. Alright. So, this twice baked potatoes came from this cookbook, the Red Chili Bible, from Southwestern Plaza and Gourmet Recipes, New Mexico. Alright, I'm done and they are ready to go. See you, I hope you enjoyed. So once again, the name of this dish is twice baked red jalapeno potatoes. Okay? But I didn't choose red. Please note I used the green one because the red one are not available here in our place, Aurora, Illinois. So enjoy and have a good time. See you next time. Bye now.